Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Pinterest is a visual discovery and social media platform that allows users to discover, save, and share ideas or inspiration through images and videos. It serves as a virtual pinboard where users can curate collections of content based on their interests, hobbies, or projects. On Pinterest, users can create and manage themed collections of pins known as boards. Pins are visual bookmarks that can be saved from websites, uploaded from a user's device, or discovered within the Pinterest platform itself. Each pin typically includes an image or video, a description, and a link to the original source. The platform is known for its wide range of content categories, including fashion, home decor, recipes, travel, crafts, fitness, and more. Users can search for specific topics or browse through curated content to find ideas, inspiration, or helpful tips related to their interests. Pinterest offers several features and benefits, including 1. Visual inspiration. Users can explore high-quality images and videos that serve as a source of inspiration for various projects or interests. 2. Content organization. Pinterest allows users to categorize and organize their interests by creating themed boards, making it easy to save and find relevant content. 3. Discovery and search. The platform offers a robust search functionality, enabling users to discover new ideas, trends, or products based on their interests or search queries. 4. Social sharing. Users can follow other users or boards, like, comment, and repin content. This social aspect allows for interaction, collaboration, and the ability to share ideas with others. 5. Business promotion. Pinterest provides opportunities for businesses and content creators to showcase their products, services, or content to a large audience. It offers business accounts with additional features, such as rich pins, Pinterest ads, and analytics. 6. Shopping integration. Pinterest has integrated shopping features that allow users to discover and purchase products directly from the platform, providing a seamless shopping experience. Whether users are planning a home renovation, searching for fashion inspiration, collecting recipes, or seeking ideas for their next vacation, Pinterest serves as a visual platform that facilitates the exploration and discovery of content tailored to individual interests and preferences. You can earn money from Pinterest by Chat GPT. Earning income from Pinterest with the help of Chat GPT involves leveraging the platform's features and combining them with the capabilities of Chat GPT. Here are some ways you can potentially generate income from Pinterest. 1. Affiliate marketing. Utilize Pinterest to promote products or services as an affiliate marketer. You can create visually appealing pins featuring affiliate links, and Chat GPT can assist in generating compelling pin descriptions or suggesting relevant affiliate products based on your niche. 2. Sponsored content. As your Pinterest following grows, you can collaborate with brands or businesses for sponsored content opportunities. Chat GPT can help you craft engaging content proposals or suggest potential brands to reach out to for partnerships. 3. Create and sell digital products. Utilize Pinterest to showcase and promote your own digital products, such as ebooks, courses, printables, or templates. Chat GPT can assist you in generating ideas for digital products, designing visually appealing pin graphics, or optimizing pin descriptions for maximum exposure. 4. Drive traffic to a blog or website. If you have a blog or website where you generate income, use Pinterest to drive traffic to your site. Chat GPT can help you generate ideas for blog posts, optimize pin descriptions for search engine visibility, or suggest strategies to increase click-through rates. 5. Offer Pinterest management services. If you have expertise in Pinterest marketing, you can offer your services as a Pinterest manager or consultant. Chat GPT can assist you in generating ideas for clients' pinning strategies, optimizing their profiles, or suggesting ways to increase engagement and conversions. 6. Create and sell physical products. If you have a business that sells physical products, Pinterest can be a valuable platform to showcase and promote your products. Use Chat GPT to assist in generating product descriptions, creating visually appealing pins, or suggesting strategies to maximize exposure and sales. It's important to note that earning income from Pinterest requires building a strong presence, engaging with your audience, and providing valuable content. Utilizing Chat GPT as a tool can enhance your creativity, productivity, and strategic decision-making on Pinterest, but ultimately, the quality of your content and your ability to connect with your target audience will determine your success. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.